Basmati and long grain wild rice with fresh veggies, feta cheese, and chopped fresh herbs, tossed in an orange and tarragon dressing. Just gotta say, rice is nice. And this easy rice salad recipe proves it. Because you deserve the best, we made this salad using basmati and wild long grain rice. We then add some chopped veggies, we do chopped fresh herbs, a sprinkle of feta cheese, and then an orange tarragon dressing. It is super delicious. You ready to make it? Here's how. Let's start with the dressing. We suggest a small storage jar. Into that jar, add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup freshly squeezed orange juice, the zest from 1 orange, about a tablespoon worth, 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped tarragon, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. The lid goes on the jar, shake it up vigorously to combine, and then set the dressing to the side. Now the rice. 2 pots on stove top. The large one has 1.5 cups of water at a boil. We add 1 cup of basmati rice. Reduce to simmer and cook for about 12 minutes. The smaller pot has 2 cups of water at a boil. We're adding 1 cup of wild rice, reduced to moderate heat. Then the wild rice will need about 20 minutes to get tender. While the rices are cooking, let's chop up 3 green onions. Let's dice up 1 small zucchini. We're gonna seed and dice 1 red pepper. We still have a bit of time until the rice is done, so on to fresh herbs. Today we're using fresh parsley, fresh mint, and tarragon. Feel free to change these up to suit your tastes. Ultimately, you're gonna need about 1/2 cup of chopped herbs for the recipe. The rices are done, so now we're gonna spill them onto a baking sheet, spread them out evenly. This is gonna cool them down without them getting clumpy. The basmati is perfectly fluffy. We have perfectly plump kernels of wild rice. Let's leave the rices to cool for maybe 20 minutes. Final step is to assemble the salad. Grab a big bowl. In goes the 2 types of rice. Add the diced zucchini, the red pepper, add the green onions, fresh herbs, about 1/2 cup of crumbled feta, and maybe 3/4 of the dressing. Then toss. Do a little taste, then you can season with more kosher salt and black pepper as you wish. I always end up adding all the dressing to the salad because it is so darn delicious. Give everything a toss and you're ready to serve. Look how beautiful, and like I said, super easy. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And then when a salad is this spectacular, take a picture of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Try this easy rice salad. Pairs perfectly with virtually any main. You're gonna love it on a buffet. You can package it up, take it to a picnic or a potluck. Everyone loves this salad. But the only way you're gonna find out is to make it. And then after that, just enjoy all the deliciousness. Until next time, enjoy. Delish. Wow, good salad.